Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about transportation problem. There are three types of transportation problems to solve and have a feasible solution. The first one is north-west corner method. The second one is least cell method and third one is Vogel method. Today we will discuss least cell method. We have already discussed north-west corner method. In the next video we will discuss Vogel method. There are basically two conditions in every method, balanced and unbalanced. Let's define the terms. In balanced method, in balanced equations, the sum of supply and demand becomes equal. On the other hand, if the sum of demand does not equal to sum of supply, then it becomes unbalanced equations. By the following examples, demand is 20, 30, 50. The sum of 20, 30 and 50 becomes equal to 100. At the same time, the sum of 60, 30 and 10 becomes equal to 100. This is balanced equation. On the other hand, the sum of 20, 25 and 45 becomes equals to 90. On the other hand, the sum of 60, 30 and 10 becomes equals to 100. This is unbalanced form. To make it balanced, we have to add a dummy row or dummy column to make it balanced. Today our topic to discuss is least cell method. We have to solve a problem by least cell method. First of all, we take a overlook and decide this is balanced or unbalanced. The sum of 250, 200 and 150 is 600. 300, 500 and 100, 600. This is balanced form of least cell method. First of all, in this method we have to choose the number which is least in the whole column. We will choose number 2 because it is least in the whole example. With respect to 2, we have to choose the least number in demand and supply. 150 and 175. We will choose 150 because 150 is least. We will write 150 here. At the same time, 150 multiplied 2 plus 150. 150 will become 0 and the whole row will become equal to 0, because if the demand and supply will become 0, the whole row or whole column will become 0, as there are 4 destinations and 3 sources. If demand becomes 0, then the whole column will become 0. At the same time, if supply becomes 0, the whole row will become 0. Now we will find the next number which is least in the whole example. The respective number is 4. We will choose minimum value with respect to supply and demand. We will choose 125 here. 125 will become 0. In this way, the whole column will become 0. Here will become 25 because we cancel out 175 minus 150 becomes equal to 25. So it becomes 0. Then 200 minus 25 is equal to 75. Then we will choose another number which is least in the whole sum. We will choose 4 here. With respect to 4, 100 is little. Here will remain 150 and it will become 0. Next we will choose another number which is least in the whole. Now we will choose 25 here because 25 is least and 150 is more. 25 will become 0 and it will become 125. The whole column will become 0. Now we will choose another number which is 6, which is least. 125 and 200. We will write 125 here. It will become 0 and the whole it will become 0. Now the least is 10. By choosing 75 and 75, and we will write any number here, 0 0. So by solving these sums we will get the optimum solution.